Welcome to LEEDS College Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I'm a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at LEEDS College English Department. In today's lecture, I will focus on ETEA MCQs, and in this important lecture, I have selected 4 ETEA MCQs. I will be discussing these MCQs in detail along with the clues. Let me get on MCQs number 1. MCQs number 1 reads, Ali displayed a beatific expressions on his face while addressing a speech at LEEDS College, Peshawar. Word beatific means, if you look carefully at the sentence, we have a word beatific and we have 4 options, and we need to find a word and the option which is closer and meaning to the word beatific. Here we have 4 options, including option number 1, nervous, option number B, gloomy, option number C, pathetic, and option number D, joyful. Option number D agrees, joyful. If you revisit the sentence and if you put the word joyful, the sentence become, Ali displayed a joyful expressions on his face while addressing a speech at LEEDS College, Peshawar. But the point is why option agrees with the statement. This MCQs is totally based on semantic proximity, and semantic proximity means a synonymous relationship, mean the words are closer in meaning to each other. According to Webster's Encyclopedic Unabridged Dictionary of English Language, the word beatific has been derived from the late Latin word beatific, which means joyful, blissful, happy, ecstatic. Now the important point is that this word was initially introduced in 1614. Getting on MCQs number 2. Managing director of Oxford College beguiles students with his confident look. Word beguiled means, this sentence has a word beguile, and in options we need to find a word which is closer in meaning to this word. Option number 1, charm, option number B, confuse, option number C, disturb, and option number D, none. If you look at the option number 1 agrees, charm. Managing director of Oxford College charms students with his confident look. The point is why this option agrees. I have given a clue. According to Webster's Encyclopedic Unabridged Dictionary of English Language, the word beguile has been derived from the Middle English word beguile, which means charm, captivate, spellbind, attract, gravitate. Note, it was initially introduced in 13th century. Let me get on MCQs number 3. Being responsible citizens of our country, we must show benevolent attitudes towards needy people in our society. The word benevolent means, here we have 4 options. Option number 1, aggressive, option B, kind, option C, harsh, and option number D, confident. Answer is option 1 agrees. Being responsible citizens of our country, we must show kind attitudes towards needy peoples in our society. And the clue to attempt this MCQ is that according to Webster's Encyclopedic Unabridged Dictionary of English Language, the word benevolent has been derived from the Latin words benevolent. The singulars of benevolence means kind-hearted, good-natured, benign, helpful, human, and it was initially introduced in 15th century. Here we have MCQs number 4. Ali is suffering from benign neurosis. Word benign means, if you look carefully at a sentence, we have a word benign, and this word is closer in meaning to words in the option. Option number 1, harmless, option number B, serious, option C, incurable, and option number D, chronic. Option number 1, harmless. Ali is suffering from harmless neurosis. The clue, as according to Webster's Encyclopedic Unabridged Dictionary of English Language, the word benign has been derived from Middle English word benign, which means harmless, acute, innocent, helpful, friendly, and gentle, and it was initially introduced in 14th century. Best of luck. Thank you very much for time.